Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create shopping lists in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, you need to open up your Todoist app. Now that we've done that, locate and click on the plus Add Project button, usually found at the bottom of your projects list. This is where we start building our shopping list. It's important to create a new project for each shopping list to keep everything organized and easy to access. Now, go ahead and name your project. Let's call it grocery shopping. The reason we do this is to quickly identify what the project is about when we're navigating the app. Click Add, and there you have it. Your project is ready. Next up, let's start adding tasks or items. Click on your grocery shopping project, and then click on the plus Add Task button. This is where you'll input all the items you need to buy. For instance, type milk and enter. The beauty of Todoist is that it allows you to add as many tasks as you want, so go crazy and add all the items on your shopping list. Now let me explain why this matters. By breaking down your shopping list into individual tasks, you can mark them as complete as you shop, ensuring you don't miss anything and keeping your list tidy. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every task you add is stored within your grocery shopping project. This helps us because it keeps all related tasks grouped together, making it easier to manage your shopping list. Now imagine you're at the store and you've just put milk in your cart. Click on the task Milk and then on the checkmark to mark it as complete. It's not just satisfying to check off items, it also helps you track what's left on your list. To wrap up, creating a shopping list in Todoist is as simple as creating a new project, adding your items as tasks, and then checking them off as you shop. It keeps your list organized, easy to access, and manageable. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping with Todoist.